Well, hello engineering drawing peeps. This is Ms. W and I'll be bringing you a video today on how to create a multi-view drawing based on a part you've already drawn. I've got a part drawing open here and it's pretty awesome. There's one little thing I need to change, which is here's my front view according to this part, but I want to create a multi-view drawing that looks like the one that we had in class. So I want this to be my front view. I want to be looking from that side. So all I'm going to do is rotate around here until I have the side that I want to be my front view. I'm going to right click on the view cube and say set current view as front. Now that's my new front. When I go to create the drawing, then that's going to be my front view or my base view. Now that I've got that set up, I'm going to go up to my I menu here. I'm going to click on New, and instead of clicking one of these, I'm just going to click New, and I'll show you why. I'm going to choose metric as my units here. English would be inches, metric would be millimeters. That's what I want, and I'm going to come down here, and under the drawing area, I'm going to pick ANSI, millimeters, drawing. Or let's pick ANSI millimeters IDW. That's the Inventor format. Now it's opened up a new drawing with a drawing sheet. This is going to be bigger than the sheet size that we want. So I'm going to go up to Sheet and right click, go to Edit Sheet, and just pick A size for my size. That's going to be 8.5 and 11, and then we can print it in the classroom. It's already got my name in there. It's already got today's date, and I'm going to start dropping in my views. So first I'm going to pick base view. Since I just had that drawing open, the view I want is actually right on the sheet, but if you didn't have the project open, you could just pick it in the browser. The scale is chosen automatically for you, and I like this one, so I'm going to keep it. But you could change the scale if you needed to make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to go ahead and move that over so it's in the spot I want, that lower left corner. And now I'm going to add my projected views. I go up to projected. Voila, there they are. If for some reason they're not showing up, you just go ahead and inside this view, double click to activate it, and then they should show up. So there's my top view. There's my side view. And over here is my isometric view. I'm going to right click now, hit create, and that'll create all the views. If I want to make this one a little fancier, I'm going to double click inside, pick shaded. Okay, now I get a nice shaded view. So it's starting to look like your original drawing sheet that you worked off of. Now we're going to add some dimensions. I go to the annotate menu and pick dimension. Just go ahead and start clicking to put those dimensions in. You can see that the text isn't fitting inside of there. That's fine for now. When I get to this third dimension, it's not quite where I want it to be. It's going to overlap in text. Let's just drop it down there for now. Again, that's fine for now. We'll get into refinements later on. I want to continue my dimensions. I need one there. I need one there. We're a little tight there. I'm just going to drop it down. And where else do I need one? Right there, 25. Now the other thing you're seeing is as you do these dimensions, you can double check, did you draw the drawing properly? Are all of these the dimensions that you're expecting? So far everything is perfect on this one. And I'm not surprised because this is one of the student drawings and you guys are awesome. Let's just say though, I'll put in this last dimension. Put in this last dimension. Let's just say though that this dimension, it's 25 and that's what it says on the sheet, but let's say that it was supposed to be 20, something like that. You can go back to your part file and let's go ahead and let's edit that original sketch. There's my original sketch. Let's say that that was supposed to be 20, even though we know that it's really 25 and it was drawn just right. Finish sketch. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now let's see what happens when we go back. When we go back to this part drawing, now it says 20. It's updating automatically. If we go back to the part and change that back, how do I change that back? I double-clicked on sketch, double-click on the dimension, change it back to 25, finish sketch, save. If I go back to my drawing, now once again it's the proper dimension. I think I have one more dimension to drop in here. We'll work on adding notes later. And I think we're good to go. We'll work on defining annotations and additional refinements on the dimensions, maybe in the next video. Okay, see you later.